Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, good morning or good afternoon or good evening depending on when you see this video. First, I will introduce myself. My name is Maria Keke Haryanti. You call me Keke with name 23021100016. I am a second semester student from Mathematics Education Department of PIN PGRI Madiun University. So, I made this video to fulfill a final semester exam assignment for an English course. Now, I will start explaining. So, in this video, I will discuss material about set with submaterial. There is a definition of a set, there is a breathing of a set, an empty set, a subset of a universal set, a Venn diagram, and the last thing. I will explain about set operation. For more details, please see the following video. Now, in this video, I will discuss material about set. To get to know more about set material, the first we have to know is the definition of a set. You must have heard of group, assembling, group, orders, or gangs. All of that in the mathematics is called to the set, but not all collection can be said to be set, because the definition of a set, it is a clear definite collection of objects. Clear definite like what? To be more clear, I will give some example. For the first example, first the group of kids in class 4C who got a mathematics score of 100. Who are the members? Oh, the members are Ika, Ani, Dea, Fanny, and others who get a score of 100. So that's because the member who score 100 is clear definite. Then the first example can be said to be set. The second example, a collection of smart kids. A collection of smart kids are relative. Some are good at eating, good at gossip, smart in sport, smart in leisure. So the definition of smart it was different for the second example, because it is not clear what kind of smart it is. The second example is not a set. For the third example, there is a collection of animals with two legs. Approximately for the example is a set or not. Animal with two legs. There are chicken, bear, duck, penguin, and other. Because the members are clear. The third example is a set. For the fourth example, half collection of animal. For a large group of animal is the set or not. Big animal. What kind of animal is that big animal? What kind of animal is that big animal? The life size of each person it is different. For example, the rats in my area small. But if we go to town, if you look at the mouse in the gutter, it is be like a cat. So for animals that are categorized as large, it depends on people judgment. So the fourth example is not a set. So for the next material, I will explain about set breathing. Sets are usually often denoted by uppercase or capital letters. So usually the set often use Kurawa brackets. To be clear, I will give an example. There is a set that often appears in equation. For example, there is A. A is a member of the natural set of number. So, what is the natural number about? Natural number are number that start from the number 1. So, for A, the member of the set start from the number 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. I will give a note here example. For example, there is C. C this whole number member. Whole member is a number that start from 0. So a member of the set number C starting from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. In the next material, I will explain about empty set. Do you guys know about empty set? So, an empty set is a set that has no member. Usually, the empty set is denoted by empty Kurawa with is empty, and also denoted by the letter O but as crossed out. For clarity, I will give some example. The fifth example, there is the set A. 7 grade students who are under 7 years of age. It is not possible because usually 7 grades are in the age range of 12 or 13 years. So, for the fixed example, because it does not have a member, it is said to be an empty set, with reading as following. For the next material, I will explain about subset. The subset are usually denoted as the letter C, or in mathematics it is called a subset. To be clearer, I will give an example. For example, I have there are set A, B, and C. For member of set A, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And we have 2, 4, 5, 6, and 8. And C have 4, 6, and 8. If we look at all member of B in A, then means B is a subset of A. Next, there are C and B. C and B are either subset or not. If you look at the member of C, there were 4, 6, 8, well, B was 2, 4, 5, 6, 8. It is clear that C is a subset of B. Then there A and B. We compare A and B approximately subset or not. Let's see if all the members are in B. Of course not. If we look at A, there is number 1 will in B. It is not. Means that it's not a subset of B. Because it is not a subset, the symbol is like C but has been crossed out. Next material is the set of universe. The set of universe is a set that contains all the objects in question. For example, we are given a set A, which consists of a cat, a rabbit, a horse, and a buffalo. Members of the A group can be grouped into the group of animals with 4 legs, the group of animals that are lactating, and also the group of animals starting from the letter K. The set are the universal set of A, which are usually noted with the letter S. The next material is a Venn diagram. So that we know more about the Venn diagram, I will give an example. So that we know more about the Venn diagram, I will give an example problem. For example, there is an S. The universe is 1 through 9. Then there is set A, whose member consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, and set B, whose member are 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This means that there are 2 sets, namely A and B, whose universe are 1 through 9. The first thing we do is draw the box first, which is the universe. Why should it be in the box? Because it is a spoke universe. Well, we continue to see whether A and B are the same or not. It turns out that there are the number 3 and 4 are the same. Because there are the same, the circles will interact between circle A and B interact like the following picture. The first one we feel is the same first, but it where the intersection of circle A and B. We fill in the middle Fill in 3 and 4 in the middle between the intersection circles. In set A, 3 are 1, 2, 3, 4 members because 3 and 4 have the same members as set B. So, in circle A, only 1 and 2 are written, like with set B, because 3 and 4 are the same. The only 5, 6, 7 are written. Then 8 and 9 in the set of universe are placed because 8 and 9 do not exist in the set A and B. Then 8, 9 and 9 are put in a box but not in a circle, so that are still in the same universe. So there are 4 set operations that I will discuss. So there are 4 set operations that I will discuss. The first is intersection of set. The second is union of set. The third is a difference, and the fourth is a complement. For more detail, I will discuss example problem. For the example problem, I will take previous problem where 3 are sets A and B, where A the member are 1, 2, 3, 4, and B 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. First, I will discuss about intersection of set. Intersection of set symbols such as the letter N or like the letter U upside down. So, to find intersection of set, find the same between set A and B. Thus, 3 and 4 the same. Then A intersection B are 3 and 5. Next, I will discuss about union of set. The symbol for union of set is like the letter U. If it is union of set, it means to combine between set A and set B. The member of set A are 1, 2, 3, 4, and set B was the member 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, A union B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. For writing 3 and 4 just once, not twice. Next, I will explain about the difference. For example, A difference B means the set in A are subtracts from the same because the member of set A are 1, 2, 3, 4. There are the same member 3 and 4 as member of set B. Means that if you subtract, only 1 and 2 are left. How about B difference? A. It is the same way as the which the same member of the set B are subtracts. Only 5, 6, and 7 remain. The last one is a complement. This complement, the symbol is like C, which is raised or is also denotes be a question 6. What about the complement A? Means other than A or not a member. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 members of A. No, if it is not a member, it means 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. For complement, B is also the same, meaning that is not a member of set B. There are 1, 2, 8, and 9. Next is an example problem. An example of the first question, given that the A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Find the number of subset of a whose element are 3. The way to solve it is to more practically calculate subset of a set. We can use the combination rule. There are 3 elements A and you will find the subset with 3 elements. Then the number of the subset 3, the combination of 3 and 8 factorial divided by 5 factorial multiply 3 factorial. 8 factorial equal to 8 multiply 7 multiply 6 multiply 5 factorial divided by 5 factorial multiply 3 multiply 2 multiply 1. We can cross out the sum so that 8 multiply 7 multiply 6 divided by 6, which is 56. So the number of subset of A that has 3 elements is 56. Well, that was my explanation video. If there are any wrong words or pronunciation with hair intentional or unintentional, please forgive. Keep up the enthusiasm in carrying out your activity. Don't forget to study. Thank you for watching. See you next video everyone. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.